If you're craving something delicious, satisfying, and ridiculously quick to make, look no further. This recipe might not have a proper name, but it's a real winner. It reminds me of Chebureki, but with a twist. There's no kneading dough, no complicated steps, and it comes together in a fraction of the time. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, perfect as a snack, appetizer, or even a main course. Whether you're cooking for yourself, the kids, or a crowd of hungry guests, this dish is bound to impress. Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a dish. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's super quick to prepare. First of all, we need ground meat. I'm using 500 grams of pork mince. I also added 250 grams of chopped onion, seasoned it with salt and pepper. Don't worry about the exact measurements. It's all flexible depending on how much you want to make. So that's ground meat, onion, salt, and pepper to taste. Next, we need waffles. Yes, waffles. These are not sweet waffles, but thin wafer sheets. Mine are square-shaped, but they can be round or rectangular. I'm using 130 grams, though again, it depends on how much meat you're working with. You'll need enough wafers to sandwich the filling. The final ingredient is eggs. We'll beat the eggs with a bit of salt to make a simple batter, a sort of egg wash or coating. Now, let's get cooking. Take 2 wafer sheets. On one, spread some meat mixture. Again, the wafers can be any shape. Round, square, rectangular, even large ones that you can cut into smaller portions. Mine are small square ones, which I found in the local store. Once you've spread the meat on one wafer, cover it with the second one to make a sandwich. If your wafers are big, you can cut them into smaller pieces. If they're round, you can slice them like a cake. Repeat this process with all your meat and wafers. Now it's time to cook. Heat up a pan. Dip each filled wafer sandwich into the beaten eggs, then place it directly into the hot pan. Fry each piece for 2 to 3 minutes per side. That's usually enough for them to cook through and get golden brown. Once they're done, place them on paper towels to soak up any excess oil. Do this with all your wafer sandwiches. And there you have it, a whole mountain of deliciousness. I highly recommend giving this a try. It's honestly so tasty. Now let me show you what it looks like inside. It's juicy, flavorful, and I think you'll love it. Kids enjoy it too. You can serve it as a quick snack, a full meal, take it on a picnic, or share it with friends over a glass of beer. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Have you ever tried cooking with wafer sheets like this before? What kind of meat would you use for the filling? Pork, beef, chicken, or maybe a vegetarian twist? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing how you adapt recipes and make them your own. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video here on Sveta's Menu Cooking channel. Bye-bye.